Hey there, cement manufacturers and industry professionals. Are you looking to boost efficiency and cut costs in your production process? Let me introduce you to the game changer, ultrafine coal powder. This isn't your ordinary coal dust. We're talking about particles ground down to micron-level fineness. Why does that matter? Well, finer powder means better combustion and more complete burning. You'll get way more energy out of the same amount of coal, which directly translates to lower fuel costs. Plus, it burns cleaner, reducing harmful emissions like sulfur oxides and nitrogen oxides. That's a huge win for both your bottom line and the environment. But wait, there's more. Ultrafine coal powder improves the kiln's thermal efficiency. It allows for more precise temperature control, leading to a more consistent clinker quality. You'll see fewer operational issues like buildups or uneven heating, which can really slow things down. And let's not forget about grindability. This stuff is easier to handle and mix. It flows better through your systems, reducing wear and tear on equipment. That means less downtime and maintenance, saving you even more money in the long run. Now you might be thinking, okay, but is it worth the investment? Absolutely. The initial setup for fine grinding might seem like an extra step, but the ROI is impressive. Many plants report payback periods of under a year thanks to fuel savings and increased output. It's also compatible with existing infrastructure, so you don't need a total overhaul. Just some tweaks to your grinding and feeding systems, and you're good to go. So if you're serious about optimizing your cement manufacturing, give ultrafine coal powder a try. It's a smart, sustainable upgrade that delivers real results. Thanks for listening, and here's to more efficient and eco-friendly production.